So what we're going to do today, we're going to look at drawing a straight line given the two intercepts. Sometimes our equation is written in the form ax plus by equals c instead of the more usual y equals mx plus c, which we've looked at so far. So in this case we've got two choices if we want to draw these lines. Firstly, we can rearrange the equation into y equals mx plus c, but that involves a bit of algebra and a bit of what possibly could be some complicated rearranging. And the second method, which we're going to show today, is to find the x and the y intercepts and use those points to draw the line, and that's, I think, more often than not the easiest way of doing it. So we are going to just go through an example here. I'll get two sides up so we can show it side by side. So I've got an example here. We've got 3x take away 2y equals 6. Now the first step in this case is to find the y-intercept, and the way we do that, we substitute x equals 0 into our equation. So if we substitute x equals 0 into 3x take away 2y equals 6, we get 0 take away 2y equals 6, or negative 2y equals 6, or y is equal to negative 3. That gives us a y-intercept of 0 and negative 3. What in fact we're doing, and you can do this, is just cover up the 3x, and what you're left with is negative 2y equals 6, and you can just solve that to find the y-intercept. Once we've found the y-intercept, the next thing we need to do is find the x-intercept, and we use a similar method. In this case we're going to substitute y equals 0 into the equation. So if we do that, we get 3x take away 0 equals 6, or 3x is 6, x equals 2. So now we've got both intercepts. We've got negative, we've got 0, negative 3, and we've got 2, 0. And to find the x-intercept again, we could just cover up the negative 2, 1 like that to leave us 3x take equals 6, and then solve. So once we've done that, then it's just a case of putting these two intercepts in place, which we can do like so. So we've got 0 and negative 3 right there. We've got 2, 0 right there. And then what we're going to do, we are going to draw a line. And if I draw my line there, and if I extend that, remember then our line doesn't just stop at the intercept. What we can do, then I want to change that so it's blue, just make it stand out slightly, and there is our line. 3x take away 2 is equal to 6. So if we just recap what we've just done, we've looked at drawing lines where the equation is in the form ax plus by equals c, so it could be 2x plus 3y equals 12, or some such equation. Firstly, we find the y-intercept by substituting x equals 0 into our equation, or we could just cover up the y term and solve. Then we find the x-intercept by substituting y equals 0, and then we've got our two intercepts. Because we know it's a straight line, we only need 2 points. We can join those intercepts, and there's our straight line. And that's that.